Now, let's look at the top problem. We have linear regression yielding y equals a x plus b and an r value of negative 0.89. So the r value is negative, so that's telling us negative. And also the r value it's like 0.9. It's pretty close to like 1 or negative 1. So that's going to be strong, not weak. So even kind of ignoring that, we already know that it's strong and negative. Also, we could kind of already know that it was a negative slope. So we double know that it's supposed to be negative. We have two ways to know that it's supposed to be negative. Now, what about the bottom problem? So a student plotted this data, and they actually used a nice little formula to help. So y equals negative 0.09x plus some amount. So that's going to be some kind of line that goes roughly through there. What does the rate of change represent in terms of these data? Well, the average rate of change is the slope. So the average rate of change would be, going down by 0.09. So let's see. Number of hours of sleep per day is going down by 0.09. Sleep going down per year of age. So from like 24 to 25 or 25 to 26, or that's what it seems to be doing. So that's going to make it choice B. Is it really not choice A? Well, keep in mind that A is saying increase, which is incorrect. And we can do the same logic with C, where we're increasing, so that's no good. However, for D, they mixed it up and put the 9.24, and that's just not correct. So, choice B.